Hello Alpha Wolves and welcome to the very first video in this course and pretty much your first step to becoming a certified Amazon seller and having your own business, your online digital business. So we're actually going to get right into it. So the first thing we're going to talk about is product research, which is quite arguably the most difficult part of the entire Amazon process, and that is finding a product that actually sells well and that you can private label and sell under your name. So there's a few ways that you can search for products, but a lot of them involved paid apps or paid extensions or paid web apps. And if you don't want to invest extra money or more money than you've already invested, or you want to have some extra cash available to buy more stock or buy more inventory when you actually do find a product, then this is the first couple methods I'm going to show you how to use without actually buying anything extra. So we're going to go right into it. We're going to go to Amazon.com. So we're going to go to the Amazon website and we're going to browse for products. Now this might sound weird, but it definitely does work. So once you're on Amazon, click on departments. Actually click on it because if you just scroll over the edge, it's not going to show you the deepest departments, and we want to get really deep down into specific niches so that you can find specific products that would work and sell well within a certain category. So once you're on this page, we can just have a look around home and garden tools. Let's have a look at home and garden tools. Okay, pet supplies is a very good category to sell stuff in because they're very easy products to sell and easy to get made. Maybe home improvement, hardware. Okay, cool, let's go to hardware. We'll open hardware and see what's for sale. Now, you can shop by category. So once you're on the hardware page, go down and you're gonna go into a deeper category. Let's go to shelf brackets and supports. So once you're in shelf brackets and supports, we can shop into a deeper category. Let's go to shelf brackets on their own. And there we are. So we're in the shelf brackets category now. Now, you're probably thinking, I don't want to sell shelf brackets. That's the lamest thing ever. I don't want to sell something so stupid like that. Well, it might be cool to tell your friends like, yo, dudes, what's up, bruh? Like, I sell 3-wheeled skateboards on Amazon. It might be cool to have a product like that is your brand and that's your company, but it might not necessarily be a product that actually sells very well. So it's usually the most absurd or out there products that you wouldn't actually think of yourself that actually do sell well. So those are the products that we're looking for. Now, okay, so we're on this page. You might have seen a video like this in the past, maybe on YouTube or somewhere else on Amazon tutorials, where they tell you to just go in deep and deep into a category until you find something, and that it has to fit the criteria that we've mentioned before. But I'll show you a little secret that a lot of guys don't discuss, and that is this bar on the side. So you can actually specify the price that you want your product to be. So like we said before, let's go start minimum $15, max $50, and click go. Now it will only show you products within your price range that we've searched for. And we're still looking for the same criteria as mentioned before. So above 10,000 in rank, very low competition with regards to number of reviews. So you can see these actually have very low reviews, so it'll be easy to compete with them. And we can even go to the very first product here, floating shelf brackets. So for $17.99, that fits within our price range. It's got 3 reviews, so that would be easy to overcome. That means all you have to do is get more than 3 reviews and you'll rank higher than this guy and sell more. So let's take a look at his profile. And you also notice, so I've got this ranking right here. This is another Chrome extension called AMZ Seller Tracker, I think it is. All of these extensions and things will be linked in the resources document of the course. So you can see the price history and the bestseller rank history right here, which helps a lot. So let's click onto this product and take a deeper dive. Okay, floating shelf brackets, completely concealable hardware. Okay, so this is a pretty bad listing, it looks like. They've just got one image of their product, which you can't really see that well. It looks like it was just cut out. And then 2 stock images, it seems like, that you can't even see the shelf brackets and probably not even their shelves that are being used. Okay, so 3 reviews. Let's scroll down and see what these reviews look like. So, did not work because of lack of studs in wall. Okay, so that's a bad review. This installed perfectly, easily aligned and looks great. I was nervous about doing my first floating shelves from scratch, but this product was great. Okay, so there's 3 reviews. People are liking it. Some person doesn't really like it. But you could easily compete with this guy and see how well they're selling. And sell better than them at least. So if I scroll down, you'll see I've got the bestseller rank and the sales rank right here, the price history and the sales rank on my Amazon page. Now what you could do is you could copy the ASIN which is right at the bottom of the page. That's this. The ASIN is the unique product identifier for each product on Amazon. So every single product on Amazon has a unique ASIN number. And this identifies this product. So what you could do is you could copy this number and go to camelcamelcamel.com. Yes, it's a weird name. We all agree it's the strangest name, but anyways, it helps you remember it. And yeah, so you're going to paste your ASIN number in the top here and search. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring up the price history of this product. So you can see it's always been selling for $17.99. We can click on sales rank, and this will show you how the rank has improved or dropped over the past months, however long it's been selling. So we can see that it started off around 30,000 and it spiked up, and they probably ran out of stock around about here. That's the only thing that really explains that drop. But then they quickly made it up again, and now they're around the 9,000 mark. So they're still within our range above 10,000, and they look like they're quite steady there at the moment. So this would be a good product to enter into. So this is using Camel. But like I said before, I've got another Chrome extension called Keeper, which shows you all of that data right here without having to open a second tab or anything like that, and it just speeds up your research quite a bit. So I suggest getting that as well, just to speed it up. And that's essentially it for finding products on Amazon. We can go into a different category as well. Let's go back to departments, and we'll just do another one. Maybe let's go into pet supplies, like I spoke about earlier. So pet supplies, maybe we can go to top new products. Let's see what's happening in the, oh wow, they've got one new product. Oh, there we go. Is that loading? No, okay. That's a bad category. Let's go back. Maybe dog toys. Okay. So we're in dog toys category. Dog chew toys. Okay. So this looks like something that could be easy to enter into. Let's enter our price range again, $15 minimum, $50 max, and hit go. So now it'll bring up products again within our range. So, there we go. So this is a good example. This large dog chew toys 8 value pack. So this is a good example of a product that you could do. So they've bundled something. So that's another way to differentiate yourself against your competition, is to bundle products. So one seller might be selling a certain chew toy, another a separate chew toy, and they'll rank on their own. But if you can bundle those products together, you can sell it at a premium price. You can see it's listed at $49, which is a very, very premium price. And then it's on sale for $19.99, and it's got 32 reviews. So under that 100 review mark as well, which means it could be something that you could enter into. Let's click on their page and have a look. Super safe, non-toxic puppy dog chew toys. Okay, great. So they've bundled it. This is a pretty good listing. They've got a good number of images. They're high quality images. You can zoom into them, which means they're high resolution as well. So it's very good. It's very good. This is a good listing. And let's have a look at their sale. There we go. Their sales rank has remained consistent within the 2,000 range for a good couple months, which is a good sign, which means that this sells very well. And they've got good reviews. So yeah, it seems a lot of people are happy. So this would be something you could enter into as well. So there we found 2 products in a couple of minutes using nothing other than the actual Amazon site.